This video is a must-watch before starting your piano playing journey. Welcome back to the Basic Info channel. Today's episode covers the piano. But before we jump into it, please like and subscribe so we can keep the content coming. Also, check out the link in the description for a special on online piano courses. Now, let us inform you on what you need to know before you start learning the piano. A majestic instrument, capable of producing everything from delicate melodies to thunderous chords. Its presence can fill a room with elegance and possibility. For many, the dream of playing the piano remains just that, a dream. But learning to play is more attainable than you think. It's about discovering the joy of music. Embark on a journey of self-expression. Unlock the magic within those 88 keys. This is your beginner's guide to piano playing. Let's get started. Why we're drawn to the piano. Explore the emotional and psychological appeal of the piano. The reasons are as diverse as the music itself. For some, it's the allure of creating beautiful melodies, the ability to express emotions that words cannot capture. Others are drawn to the challenge, the intellectual stimulation of mastering a complex instrument. The piano holds a unique appeal, offering a wide range of musical possibilities. From classical masterpieces to contemporary pop hits, the piano can handle it all. Whatever the reason, the desire to learn piano is a powerful one. One of the biggest myths surrounding piano playing is that it's only for the gifted, the naturally talented. This couldn't be further from the truth. Anyone, regardless of age or background, can learn to play the piano. It's not about innate talent. It's about dedication, patience, and a willingness to learn. Just like any new skill, learning piano requires effort and practice. But with the right guidance and a positive attitude, anyone can achieve their musical goals. Don't let self-doubt hold you back. Believe in yourself and trust that with consistent effort, you can make beautiful music. Learning piano is a journey, not a race. There will be ups and downs, moments of triumph and moments of frustration, but it's the journey itself that matters. The process of learning and growing as a musician. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the small victories, and remember that every step forward is a step closer to your musical dreams. So if you've always wanted to play the piano, don't let fear or insecurity hold you back. Take the leap, embrace the challenge, and discover the joy of making music. Before you embark on your piano playing adventure, it's helpful to define your goals. Are you a casual learner, content with playing simple tunes for your own enjoyment? Perhaps you're a hobbyist, seeking a creative outlet and a new skill to master. Or maybe you have aspirations of becoming a professional musician, performing on stage for adoring crowds. Understanding your goals will help you tailor your learning approach and choose the right resources. A casual learner might be perfectly happy with self-teaching methods or online tutorials. A hobbyist might benefit from regular lessons with a teacher, while an aspiring professional will likely need more intensive training and practice. There's no right or wrong path, only the path that's right for you. Whether you dream of playing complex concertos or simply want to entertain friends and family, the joy of music is accessible to all. So take some time to reflect on your musical aspirations. What do you hope to achieve with your piano playing? Once you have a clear vision, you can begin to build the roadmap that will lead you to your musical destination. Practice is the cornerstone of any musical endeavor, and piano playing is no exception. But practice shouldn't feel like a chore. It should be an enjoyable experience, a time to explore the instrument, experiment with sounds, and discover the magic of music. Think of practice as playtime, an opportunity to unleash your creativity and express yourself through the keys. Set realistic goals, start with small, achievable steps, and gradually increase the difficulty as you progress. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're a natural part of the learning process. Find ways to make practice fun and engaging. Experiment with different learning techniques, play along with your favorite songs, or try improvising your own melodies. The key is to find what works best for you and to make practice a regular part of your routine. Remember, consistency is key. Even short, regular practice sessions are more effective than sporadic bursts of intense effort. So, make practice a habit and watch your musical skills blossom. Navigating the piano landscape, acoustic versus digital. Choosing the right piano is an important step in your musical journey. The two main options are acoustic pianos and digital pianos. Acoustic pianos offer a rich, resonant sound and a traditional playing experience. They require regular tuning and maintenance but are prized for their authentic feel and tone. Digital pianos, on the other hand, offer a range of advantages. They're often more affordable, require no tuning, and come with features like headphone jacks for silent practice. They also offer a variety of instrument sounds and digital effects, expanding your musical possibilities. The best choice depends on your individual needs and preferences. Consider your budget, your living situation, and your musical goals. If you're serious about pursuing classical piano, an acoustic piano might be the better choice. If you're looking for a versatile and convenient option, a digital piano might be a perfect fit. Do your research, visit a music store, and try out different pianos before making a decision. The right piano will inspire you to play, to explore, and to create beautiful music. While self-teaching is possible, having a teacher or utilizing online resources can greatly accelerate your progress. A qualified piano teacher can provide personalized instruction, tailored to your specific needs and goals. They can offer valuable feedback, correct bad habits early on, and guide you through the complexities of music theory. Online resources, such as online courses, tutorial videos, and interactive apps, offer a wealth of learning materials at your fingertips. They can be a great supplement to traditional lessons or a valuable resource for self-learners. Many online platforms offer structured curriculums, progress tracking, and even virtual performance opportunities. Choosing the right guidance is crucial for your musical development. A good teacher or a well-designed online course can provide the structure, support, and motivation you need to succeed. They can help you navigate the challenges, stay focused on your goals, and unlock your full musical potential. So, invest in your musical journey by seeking out the right guidance. Whether you choose a traditional teacher or embrace the digital learning landscape, the right support can make all the difference. Time, the essential ingredient. Learning piano is a journey that requires time and dedication. The amount of time you need to invest will depend on your goals and your level of commitment. Casual learners might be content with practicing a few times a week, while aspiring professionals might dedicate hours each day to honing their craft. There's no magic formula for how quickly you'll progress. Some people learn faster than others, and that's perfectly okay. The important thing is to be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and enjoy the process of learning. It's a lifelong journey of discovery, growth, and musical expression. Embrace the challenges, savor the small victories, and allow yourself the time to develop your skills. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Consistency is key. With regular practice and the right guidance, you'll steadily improve and achieve your musical aspirations. The rewards of learning piano are numerous and far-reaching. Playing the piano can boost your cognitive skills, improve your memory, and enhance your creativity. It can also provide a sense of accomplishment, boost your self-esteem, and reduce stress. Music has a unique power to connect us with ourselves and with others. Playing the piano can be a deeply personal and expressive experience, allowing you to communicate emotions and tell stories through music. It can also be a social activity, bringing people together through shared musical experiences. Whether you're playing for yourself or for an audience, the joy of making music is a gift that keeps on giving. It's a lifelong companion, a source of comfort, inspiration, and creative expression. So, embrace the journey, savor the rewards, and allow the music to enrich your life in countless ways. Your piano adventure awaits. Learning piano is an adventure, a journey of self-discovery and musical exploration. It's a chance to unlock your creative potential, to challenge yourself, and to experience the joy of making music. So, take a deep breath, embrace the unknown, and begin your piano adventure today. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to learn. Find what works best for you, set realistic goals, and enjoy the process. With the right guidance, consistent practice, and a positive attitude, you can achieve your musical dreams. The piano is waiting to be discovered, and the music within you is waiting to be unleashed. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description for an exclusive online piano course. Like and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and basic info on everything.